Hi Marielle, I'm going to walk you through the Chemistry 1 First Day presentation, and if you want to do this, that would be great. If you don't, that's fine, I'll record it for students later. But this is basically what I would say, and of course you can customize it however you want. I'm more of a master at it than I am. So first off, this is for Chemistry 1, and they're 2045, and they are participating in the First Day or the Inclusive Access at UCF. Just give them a reminder of what First Day is. First Day is a program set up by UCF to provide students course materials at the lowest possible price, which means e-texts and also publisher software. The nice thing about the First Day program is that all course material, the e-text or any publisher software, is accessed by students directly through web courses. So students don't have to purchase any sort of access codes or sign in. They simply have to go into their web course and then click modules, and they'll have access to all the information they need. The other wonderful thing about it is that if they do decide to opt in and purchase the access for the rest of the semester, they can do so through the course materials button in the course, and the charges for the access are placed directly on their student account. It's really important that the students know that they must opt in to purchase access through the course materials button by Sunday, May 17th. That's going to be at the top, usually at the top of their web courses. And another important thing that they should do before Sunday, May 17th is click on modules and then access their e-text or any other course materials, other course materials. So we'll walk through that next. But this chemistry course will be using the TRO Chemistry, a Molecular Approach book. The book has an ebook, and inside the ebook there's access to videos, there's a self-study area, and then there's also links through the modules to Mastering Chemistry, which they'll be using. So the first thing they have to do is, as soon as they have access to their course, they can click on modules. Click on modules, and then they're going to see buttons that will go to course home or the Pearson e-text or assignments, and the instructor may have specific assignments listed here. So after they log into their web course, they click on modules, and then they're going to find their mastering assignments. The first time they access any of the main Pearson links, they will have to accept this user agreement. And then they'll have access through modules to the e-text in the course home and any of the Pearson material. This access will last until May 17th, free of charge. If they want to continue with this access, they must go to the course materials button and opt in and click confirm in order to purchase this material, which is the e-text and Mastering Chemistry, for $63. And they have to do this before May 17th. So again, those steps are, in order to opt in and get the discounted price of $63, students go to the course materials button. It'll be on this vertical bar in their web course. Then they choose to opt in and confirm. An email is going to be sent directly to their Knight's email address. And after they have that, they will have access to the e-text and Mastering Chemistry for the rest of the semester. If students miss the drop deadline, the opt-in deadline, or they decide for some reason to opt out and then afterwards want to purchase access, the only way they can do that is going to the main UCF textbook website at Barnes & Noble, and then they can purchase access there. This is the link. After they purchase access, please note it's going to take probably 2 to 3 days for their access to be restored. So, just to go over it one more time, as soon as the instructor publishes the web course, students have access to all of the Pearson materials, so the e-text for TRO chemistry book, and also the mastering assignments that the instructor has set up for them through the modules tab in web courses. So they can click on modules, they'll find the e-text Mastering Course Home. They'll have full access to the e-text, so when they click on it, they can see the full table of contents. When they click on these little carrots, that's when it's going to open up the pages. There's, within the e-text, there's self-assessment quizzes at the end of each chapter so that they can go in and play with those. And then also there's under the, within the e-text, there's videos and interactive worked examples. All they have to do is click on it, even in the e-text, and these will play for them. There's also a study link that says study area in the modules tab, and this gives them access to notes and quizzes and videos and worked examples chapter by chapter. If students have any problems with opting in or the first day program, for example, they didn't get their confirmation, or they just have a question about pricing or when the charge is going to be applied to their student account, they should call the 800 number at Barnes & Noble or go to the customer care website on Barnes & Noble. Both Barnes & Noble and Pearson suggest using Chrome, and always watch for pop-up blockers. And if you need help, we'll provide a link that takes you to a browser wizard that can help you set up your computer. If you need help with the Pearson eText or Mastering Chemistry, you'll go to Pearson Technical Support, and this is the URL for that. You can Google Pearson Technical Support and then look for the Contact Support link, or take down this URL. When you click on that URL, this is going to pop up and you'll have a Contact Us, and you'll have a few steps to fill through that you'll put in your name and what the issues are, and at the end of those you'll be placed in contact with a technical support agent and you'll receive an incident number. Hang on to that incident number just in case you need to contact us. The technical support person may also ask you for a diagnostic report if that's needed. Just note, and it's under the modules tab, and they'll direct you, but it's under modules. You'll see a link for integration support, and when you click on that, there'll be a place where you can download the diagnostics report. And that's it. That's how you access your material for chemistry, the e-text, and opt in through UCF's first day program. Thanks.